Hey guys, Vezio here and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can install fonts on your Windows PC. So this is pretty simple, but I still thought that you guys might need to see it. All you have to do is go onto your favorite fonts site. In my case it's The Font. This website has almost every kind of font and they've also categorized their font pretty well. So just choose the font that you want. I think I'll just go with Melanie. Click on it. And once it is open, just scroll down and see what the font looks like, all the letters and all the special characters. Once you've decided the font that you want, just click on the download button. Wait for it to download. It will open in WinRAR. Again, if you don't have WinRAR installed on your PC, click on this video in the I button right now and watch how to install WinRAR. So once open this up, just click on any of these, OTF or TFF, it doesn't matter. Just double click on it and a window like this should open up, and just click install. Wait for it to install and the font is installed. So another way to install fonts is that you open the zip file, extract one of these. So I'm just going to go with open type font file, extract it on your desktop and click on the start button, type in font, and on Windows 7 and lower it would show up as font, and on Windows 8 and above it will show as font settings. So just click on font setting and here you can see all of your fonts that are installed. So all you have to do is drag and drop this new font you downloaded here. And the font is installed. So let me show you that the font is actually installed. I'm going to go and open Notepad and I'll type So as you guys can see, the font is installed on my PC. So that's about it for this short video guys. Hopefully it helped you. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise. If I'm honest, I'll just make you